Okay, I'm gonna show you a simple and easy way to trademark your name or whatever symbol you want. I got my trademark done. It probably should have taken about 6 months, but I kind of lagged on it a little bit. But let me show you the process. The easiest way to do is go to Trademark Engine. This is who I use, and they got a 1-800 number. You can even live chat with them. But you see this price down here where it says $69. Um, it start out at $69, but it's going to end up costing you about, I say, $650. Let me walk you through my process. So it says get started. You just click on it and you answer a few questions. And I'm not going to go through this with you, but you can just answer all the questions and then just go continue. Then when you get 100% finished, they're going to send you an email. You can go down here and go to live chat, and they are very friendly and easy to work with. And what they're going to tell you is that they're not attorneys, but they will help you submit your trademark. So I'm going to show you my process. Once I finish that, I'm going to go to right here. You can go to tsdr.uspto.gov after they have submitted everything, and you can come down here. They're going to give you a number, and it's a serial number. And you just type it in here, and you can hit the status. I'm going to show you my status first. Right now, it's March the 11th, and I finally got my trademark right here approved. I had to go through a few processes, but it is approved. And basically what they saying is going to be published on March the 31st, 2020. So right here, it says the trademark application has been accepted by the office, has met the minimum filing requirements, and that this publication has been assigned to an examiner. So on March the 31st, 2020, my welding and stuff will be officially mine. It will be trademarked. But let's go through documents on how I got started here. You go to your documents. You see right here, I sent my stuff to Trademark Engine. Let's go back right here first. I'm going to let you look at my account. Here in June 24th, 2019, I paid them the initial fee, which was $69. Then I kept talking to them. They say, hey, now you got another fee of $59. It's called a trademark registration certification copy add-on. While I was on the phone still with them, they say, hey, we got another charge of $99. So we getting up to a little over $200 now. So I start rethinking this, and I called them back a couple of days later, a week later, and I asked them what the process was, and then they charged me $275 to go ahead and finish processing and typing this stuff up for you. You can do a lot of this stuff yourself, but I really didn't have time. I wanted to get it done and out the way. But you notice that I got a big gap in between this. I really kind of put it off for a minute. I wasn't following up on it but then I thought about it. I said, well, how much time I got left? I know after a certain amount of time they abandon your process, and you see I have paid close to maybe $500. I'm not doing the math right here, probably right here about $500 and something dollars. But I called them on February the 10th because I kept getting emails from lawyers and things saying, hey, your trademark is missing some things. You need to get it done before the expiration date, which is 6 months from the filing date. And they say, hey, log on to the government website, which I did. You see on September the 26th, it's a action outgoing, office action outgoing. I'm going to click on it. This was issued on September the 26th. they denied my trademark, and the reason they denied it, and if you look at this, it says after 6 months it's going to be abandoned from this issue date. So you got September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So I had until March. Luckily I called in February. So I had until March to get this done, or it would have been abandoned, and I would have to start all over again and paying all these fees over again. So this is why it was denied. It says that refusal, specimen does not support services. Okay, and that right there means, hey, they want to see a picture of my website, which is www.weldingandstuff.net. So I'm going to show you what I had to do there. And also, it's a specimen appears to be a rendering. I didn't quite understand what they were talking about on that, so I called Trademark, and they explained it to me, and they told me to pay another $149, and they'll take care of these for me. Okay, description of the mark and disclaimer, and I'm gonna show you what those are. So I'm gonna exit out of that. That was on the 26th right here. Change of address, specimen. Okay, so on February the 18th, this is when I started my action again. Around February the 18th, I called them and I sent them this specimen. So I had to actually take a picture of, I got some business cards made, and I actually took a picture of my business card, and they accepted that. Refusal, response of office action. Okay, disclaimer right here: no claim is made for the exclusive right of welding. So I had to let them know that I'm not claiming the word welding. So I had to fill out a disclosure for that, but the trademark engine did this for me. Description of the mark. Okay, so this is explaining everything. So I got this notice today. Notice of publication. So they told me that my trademark is going to be published on March the 31st, 2020. So that is done. So in a couple of weeks, I will officially own the rights to welding and stuff. That's how you do a trademark.